everybody, and happy Tuesday. It's hard to believe, but it is the last full week in August, and I cannot believe how fast our summer has gone. Can you? Well, to make it a little better, I've got two great stories to read today. The first one is a really sweet story about a mom and a little girl switching places for the evening. It is called You Be Mommy, and it is written by Karla Clark, and it's published by Macmillan, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. You be mommy. Mommy's too tired to be mommy tonight. Can you be mommy and hold me tight? Read me a story and pat my tummy. Wipe my nose when it gets runny. Check for monsters under the bed. Sing me a song and rub my head. All those things that mommy does for her. Can you be mommy and kiss me goodnight? Mommy's too tired to be mommy tonight. She worked all day at the computer store, came home to a big mess on the floor, helped with homework, even math, fed the dog and gave him a bath. Well, just doing math homework and bathing a dog gets pretty tiring. Drove Sarah to soccer and Tommy to chess, sewed a button on your favorite dress, cleaned the laundry and ironed the shirts, patched up the boo-boos and the hurdy-hurts. Can you be mommy and turn off the light? Mommy's too tired to be mommy tonight. She cooked the dinner and did the dishes, tried her best to grant all your wishes, made ice cream sundaes with extra large scoops. Look, she's exhausted. She's really pooped. Yawn. Ice cream sounds really good. That's a great way to celebrate the end of summer, isn't it? And now her eyes will not stay open. That is why she's really hoping that you'll be mommy and tuck me in, that you'll be the one to kiss my chin. So lend me your blankie and rock me to sleep, and as I drift, help me count sheep. Is that what your mommies do when they tuck you in at night? Mommy's just too tired to stay awake. Oh, please be mommy for goodness sake. Ooh. What's that you say? You're tired too? You'd rather me be mommy instead of you? I think the little girl's getting tired too. That was a big yawn from her. Oh, all right then. I'll let you win. One more big yawn and I'll be mommy again. For you'll always be my little treasure, and I'll be mommy forever and ever. And look, she's asleep with her puppy. The end. And look at the beautiful end page. All these great illustrations of the dog, and the dog sleeping. I would love to know what you think about this book. So why don't you let me know on our Instagram page? Let me know what you do to help out your mom or dad or grandmas. I'd love to hear about it. I'll be back in just a few minutes with our next story. And this is a book about a dog, and everybody knows how much I love dogs. I'll see you soon.